Hey guys, how you doing? In today's video, I am going to compare two softwares. First is called Pipedrive and second is called Go High Level. Both of these softwares are very good and any business owner can use these softwares to increase their business. Both of these softwares provide pipelines for your business. Pipelines are basically the sales process under which your customer has to go through before buying your product and services. So let's dive in. So first of all, go to the Pipedrive website, and when you come here you can watch a video which describes about how it works. So when you log in into the Pipedrive, you will see this type of stages. Here you can see which leads is qualified, which is contacted for your demo, and which has bought your product and services, and so on. So here the Pipedrive website displays how you can use this for your business. So it says how you can use Pipedrive in 4 steps. So they have given the first step is that you have to set up your pipeline stages. Your pipeline is a visual representation of your sale process. It totally customizable to fit how you work. Name the stages based on your steps that you take deals through to close, or choose a template. Now you are ready to fill it with deals. So basically first you have to create a stages in your pipeline. Second, you have to focus on sale actions. Instead of thinking about to finish line, the sale focus on action that you can get there. And after that, you have in the third step you have to track progress towards your goals. You can track the progress about your customers and leads in this pipeline. And after that, you can optimize and grow. You can see all the analytics in the pipeline, and you can analyze and you can grow further. So these are the basic function of Pipedrive. So it says you can manage lot of leads, you can track communications, you can automate and grow, you will have insights and reports, and you will also have mobile and app integration. So this is the basic function of Pipedrive. In Pipedrive you can basically manage your pipelines. So let us see what is the pricing of Pipedrive. When you go into the pricing section, you will get four options. First is called essential, second is called advanced, then professional, then enterprise. So in the first plan, it is called essential. It will cost you $15 per month, but it will cost you per user per month billed monthly. Means you have to pay $15 per user. And you can also add add-ons such as monthly. You can pay monthly for lead boosters for $39. And there is a second advanced plan which is going to cost you $29 per month. And there is a professional plan which will cost you $59 per month. And there is the enterprise plan which will cost you $99 per month. And all this plan have, you will be paying per user per month. So if you will have 10 users, then you can multiply this $15 with 10, then it will be $150 per month. So this is Pipedrive. And let's go to high level. So when you go to the high level website, you can see this is also a CRM platform. It also provides pipelines for your customers, and it is basically used by businesses and agencies. You can come here and read all the details. Here you can get more features than the Pipedrive. You will get email campaigns, text campaigns, and you will also get membership area, and you will also get mobile app. So this is the feature of Go High Level. It is one of the feature of Go High Level. It provides a lot of feature, but it also provides workflows and pipelines. Similar to Pipedrive, you can also manage your clients from this dashboard. So let us see how it looks. So when you log into the Go High Level dashboard, you can see opportunities, pipeline value, conversion rate, and the good thing about Go High Level is that you can see visual representation of your customers. Here it will show how many leads you have, how many hot leads, how many booking requests you have, how many booking confirmed you have, and how many leads you have closed. You can see all the details, and you can also see the lead source from which your lead has come into your dashboard. So this is basically the sales process. You can also create a lot of opportunities in the opportunities tab, and here are the stages for your pipeline. First stage is called new leads, second is called hot leads, third is called booking request, fourth is called booking confirmed, and you can edit and add new stages from here. So here we have one new opportunities. Opportunities is basically a lead which you have generated from your Facebook ads and Google ads. You can move this lead by drag and drop. You can move anywhere, and if this lead doesn't want to buy from you, then you can drop it in the lost section in the bottom below. And if this opportunities or this lead has bought from you, then you can put it into the one section, or if doesn't want to do anything, then you can keep it into the abandoned section. So this is how Go High Level works with pipelines. And if you go to the pricing section of Go High Level, then you will find that there are two plans. First is agency starter plan, which is going to cost you $97, and agency unlimited account, which is going to cost you $297. It might sound that it is higher price than Pipedrive, but overall High Level will be going to cost you cheaper because it provides you lots of other features also, which Pipedrive doesn't provide. So in my option, Go High Level is the better software if you want to looking for pipeline softwares. So in the pipeline you can generate lead from Facebook, Google Ads, Messenger, YouTube, WhatsApp, and so on, and you can capture those leads on the forms and websites and sales funnel pages, which you can create inside the Go High Level software, and then you can use those leads to try from pipelines and email campaigns, text campaigns, and after that you can track the progress and you can convert them. So basically Go High Level says you can capture the leads, you can nurture them, and after that you can close them. So in my opinion, Go High Level is the better option because you are getting lots of other features which Pipedrive doesn't provide. So if you are looking for the best software, then I highly recommend you to go for Go High Level. So I hope you like this video, and if you want 14 days free trial of Go High Level, then you can click in the link in the description and you can sign up from there. You can try it for 14 days and you can decide whether you want to keep Go High Level or not. So I hope you like this video and have a great day.